Why'd you lick my lens?
You put it in my face. So I licked it.
Does it taste like nice, rare Japanese glass?
Yeah.
Made from Japanese sand?
Yeah.
Wonderful. What's up, guys? It's snowing out here, looking like a winter wonderland. I did not just almost fall down the stairs. I got a GoPro on my head. Tanner says the RS doesn't work in the snow, so we're gonna take it out and go check it out real quick. Oh. This thing have airbags? Oh, you're already sending it too much.
I'm literally not.
You need to just casual. Oh no, you're gonna slide into the soul right there.
Oh my god.
It's not even in the street.
Do you think I can
Or it's not even out of the street.
Can I make it up this hill?
I don't know.
I don't think I can.
No, I don't think so.
Should I not?
Probably wouldn't.
I'm gonna have to turn around right there in that catch spot.
Yeah. You probably had that. You got this too. Just send it straight out this.
Dude, there's no way.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy. I got it.
Just like light foot on the pedal, right?
Yeah. That's not light foot. My man, stop. If you start fucking sliding, you're not gonna catch it, and we really are sending it into the fucking Shelby. Colin McRae out here.
It's a Subaru, man. We have all-wheel drive.
I don't trust you.
Oh, dude, we're minty.
I don't know if there's. Oh, I just bumped my shit. I don't know if there's thingies. Oh, there you go.
Dude, this thing is solid. It's really not.
All you gotta remember is an object in motion stays in motion. Whatever direction you were going, it's staying.
This is true. Call me Colin McRae. Call me Colin McRae, Daddy.
This car's kind of questionable. Trying to just blow it up right now. You need a car for tonight.
This thing's stubborn.
You need a car for tonight. We're gonna go out and have fun. That's a lot of oil.
What does that smell?
I think you just went through.
I think I just used all
like
the
a
oil.
quart of oil. So I'm letting Mittens warm up a little bit. We're gonna check things over. I've got a gauge and I've got a couple of other things. And then, like I said in the last one, I got Chewy in the garage because we're gonna start ripping out that transmission. Somebody brought up a good point. I do have to take the differential out of that too, because that has a like 3.5 final gear, whereas the Legacies in their 5EATs have a 3.1 or 3.2. Oh my God, this actually is kind of difficult to see.
I know it's difficult. Let's see if we can make it to the mall. Hey, wait. Before we go, can I run inside and grab my small camera?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we go to the mall?
Yeah.
No.
I think I got all my stuff.
I'm gonna buy a snowboard.
Guys, this is how you get a point of view cam. Just get the GoPro in front of your face. It doesn't matter what you're seeing. Don't worry about it.
Good. Probably, it can't be any worse than the RS.
I don't know if I can do this with this on my head. It is most definitely blocking my ability to see.
Is it?
Oh, yeah.
You're mobbing. This man's mobbing out here.
I'm having to try and like look through the little gap.
You're doing great.
Thanks, man. I can't tell if anyone's coming. Don't hit me.
I will say Mittens does do way better than the RS did.
Mittens is a fucking trooper, bro.
The RS is not.
Except, I got no e-brake.
We don't need an e-brake. We need an e-brake for it. It's very hot in this car.
Yes.
It works exceptionally well. Oh.
Okay.
Oh, they crashed! They crashed!
Oh, they crashed into each other.
That's the first crash! Why'd you pull e-brake?
It grips. We really need to adjust that before we go out.
I think you need new e-brake shoes.
No, I think they're just adjusted way off the star bolt.
Yeah.
Mitones. The snow is no match for you, mittens. First gear.
What about the ice?
I don't know. It's a fun time. Quite interesting. Woo, you're fucking. What the fuck are you? Okay. Yeah. T-bone my ass. That's a stop sign, bud. I'm just trying to have some fun here, okay?
In this parking lot?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah, fuck it, you're right.
YOLO. Hello, Mazda. We are now best friends, not knowing where parking spots are. So why I just tried to push a push button that wasn't there? Get a sled, dude. I'll pull you behind mittens.
Sled?
Yeah. Oh, dude. 66-inch family fun toboggan.
Bro, I can already see what happens. We tie this to mittens. I hit a snowball or a rock in the road.
You just start
this
spinning.
Flips, yeah.
Yeah, dude. That'd be sick.
And it's all downhill.
Let's get it.
Did they sell snowboards here? They did.
I don't think so.
Wow, it's a sport. Bro, it literally says that they have them.
And we're in the wrong section.
We can go look at Zoomies.
Whoa.
Think I can dunk it?
Yeah, dude.
It's not that far, right?
Is that regulation?
Yo, I think.
We're short, dude.
Are we? Is that a regulation basketball group?
Yeah. People dunk that.
How do people dunk that?
They're like 2 feet taller than us.
Bro. There's no way. There's no way.
We're short, dude. Basketball is not our sport. Why are we in this corner?
I don't know.
I fuck with cars, I don't fuck with sports. That's a big noodle, dude. Why are those so heavy?
Dude. It's a mega party noodle.
To beat somebody with?
You need an elite controller.
I have almost all of them.
Love them.
There is one I haven't bought yet. Oh!
What? Scuff?
Wait, do you have more scuff stuff? I want.
Associate for assistance.
It's $24. I don't wanna.
You have to ask the.
Gonna have to talk to somebody.
How are you gonna check it out?
Oh man, you're right. Should I get that? It's kind of, and then streaming this. Do you guys want to see me do a streaming setup in Boba Fett? And Tanner as Princess Leia.
Why not?
That'd be kind of interesting.
What is that?
What? Guys.
You're not recording, are you?
Yeah.
How are you guys doing?
It's going good.
Can I help you guys with anything? Got any questions?
Am I able to get this?
Yes, absolutely you can. You want that right now?
Yeah.
All right, in any games with the yellow tag, 25% off.
Awesome.
That listed price.
Sounds good.
Is this?
I don't know. It's I'm living it, man.
You want this guy right here?
Yeah.
Is there anything else I can grab for you?
That should be it.
Are you done shopping?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just have this behind the counter. What GoPro is that?
7 black.
Back it. I
Yeah.
think the last one I had was a 6 black.
Dude, I was talking the other day, they come out with them so fast.
Every year.
We were walking through Best Buy and they had like 11s now. And I was like, what happened like 10 or 9? Like the last time I saw them, they were 8s.
Dude, I was lucky. I found my black at a music festival just going around on the
Oh, yeah?
people taking it around.
Have any good footage on it?
No, there's nothing. It was like, oh,
Yeah.
I tried to give it back, but it's my GoPro.
That's hella funny. Maybe I'll give you guys like my controller collection show through. You know what the problem with Zoomies is?
What?
They blast the music so loud that I can't use any of this.
Put your own music over it. Right? Snowboarding?
Dude, I'm so bad at snowboarding. I was about to say.
You want to go?
All I can do is falling leaf down a hill until I'm like so worn out that I fall over.
That's all right.
I told you about that, right? I
What?
damn near broke my back because I was tired and I was sliding down on, I was holding my jacket underneath myself so I could slide on it down the mountain. I had the board like this in front of me with my legs like this and it caught edge and ripped it under me. So my other GoPro died when I was in the mall.
Do we need to go get more GoPro batteries tonight?
Probably. Tanner got a jacket. I got a controller cover.
It's a waterproof jacket.
I thought you were going to say it's a waterproof controller cover.
It's a waterproof controller.
It's kind of awkward walking around the mall with a GoPro on my chest, but
To be honest, like even after filming for 2 years, it's still weird to film in public. So like Vlogmas is helping like get over that.
yeah. Yeah, because it was kind of awkward, but realistically, nobody even batted an eye at it. And then the guy in GameStop was like asking me which model I had and stuff, so that's kind of cool. But we're gonna head back to the house. I gotta charge all of the batteries on the GoPro so we can hopefully go out later today. And it's starting to rain, so hopefully the snow comes back so we can have some fun.
The rain is going to turn back into snow.
Yeah.
This is the warmest it's going to be today.
Oh, really?
And the temperature starts going back down in an hour.
So we're gonna be good. So we're gonna be good. Which means we would have been good, right? But we weren't good because the snow didn't come back. And it kept raining over and over and over. And there was no snow fun to be had. So that's kind of where I was with this video. And the fun stuff I wanted to do in this video couldn't happen. So hopefully it snows again in the future. That way we can go out and actually have fun. But for now, on to the next one.